You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.